Hello everybody, here's my newly made Nikon smz-10 stereo microscope with trinocular head and with illuminator that works through the optics, kind of epi illuminator here. We'll try to check how it works with this nozzle. This nozzle has a length of 40 millimeters and diameter of the hole of kind of 4 millimeters. So let's see how it's shown through our microscope. I made some kind of stand with ability of little tilting because we need to look inside with different ways of illumination. So let's try to watch how it works. So what have we got here? We've got some internal structure, not that easy seen because when you use minimal magnification, we don't see enough because optics with internal reflections changes its possibility to show clearly dependently on magnification. So when you use minimal magnification, we'll see a lot of blue light, blue stray light here. We don't need it. So let's change magnification, make it a bit bigger. When we come to 15, we can see some internal structure here, but best magnification for us is 30, maybe 25. Let's see how it works. Wait a moment. Okay, it was set a bit incorrectly. Now I centered the nozzle. We can watch it easily now. So magnification is set to the 30, but real magnification of microscope now is 45. And let's look what have we got here. When I change focus position, you can see now focus is on the outer part of the nozzle. It's not shiny, it's kind of black metal. If we lower in focus a bit, we can see shiny surface with a lot of turn off of metal, don't know how it's named, and a lot of rust in this turn off parts. When you lower focus a bit more, we can see those nozzles, 5 little nozzles, and with current state of contrast we can easily see something dark in those nozzles. And when I tilt the nozzle, light goes in different angles, so we can try to see those nozzles in different manner. So let's move focus, zoom a bit, focus a bit lower. Now we reached the bottom of the nozzle. Don't know if there is anything interesting on it. We can again try to tilt nozzle to see how light differently falls down actually. Okay, and let's move backward now. So again we reached a focus reached those 5 nozzles. We're moving upper, we reached the turn off region with a lot of rust in it. Moving more up, we can see black part of the nozzle. Now we can try to reach maximum magnification. It's kind of 60 here, and you can definitely see something inside those little nozzles. And I'm centering now this part and try to tilt a bit the nozzle, we can see some part of structure on it. Don't know if there is enough usability for those who work, but for me it's just very interesting pattern here. So let's move magnification to lower, and when it's set to lowest position, contrast is very low because of blue stray light. It's not a problem because nobody works with little minimum magnification. So still again, here's 25, here's 30. So you just seen how we try to look inside this little nozzle. I tilted that way to make light enter in different angles, and we found those 5 little nozzles, how they're made. So thank you everybody for watching. I hope those who are interested in Epi light and some diesel engine parts will see what they wanted. So hope next time I'll do a bit more interesting video for you. Bye bye everybody.